Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ever wonder how to boost your energy and performance without compromising your keto or carnivore lifestyle? Today, I'm diving into a game changer for my journey, creatine. As someone focused on strength training and wellness, this supplement has become non-negotiable. It fuels my muscles and brain, enhancing workouts and mental clarity. My routine: 10 grams of creatine powder mixed with water and a splash of pink Himalayan salt, hydrating while replenishing electrolytes. Let's explore how I integrate this into my carnivore keto lifestyle, along with tracking meals on eatontrack.com. This morning started with a hearty grilled ribeye, avocado, and butter, classic keto fare. But here's the secret: my hydration ritual. On keto, electrolytes are crucial. I mix water, 10-gram creatine, and 8 servings of Himalayan salt in one drink. This combo boosts energy and mental clarity. Creatine powers my muscles and brain, while the salt replenishes sodium and potassium. This morning ritual keeps me energized all day. How do you stay powered on carnivore? Let me know in the comments. Lunch was crispy chicken wings, skin on for healthy fats, seasoned with garlic powder and paprika. Pro tip: cast iron skillet for extra flavor. Hard-boiled eggs are my go-to protein source, packed with B12, choline, and healthy fats. Batch cook them weekly for convenience. Ever tried carnivore chicken burgers? I've been experimenting with simple salt pepper patties, no carbs, all flavor. Tonight's star: a perfectly cooked whole chicken leg with ghee. High-fat, low insulin, key for stable energy on keto. Grass-fed ghee boosts omega-3s and CLA. Ribeye is another favorite, thanks to its marbling for healthy fats. What's your go-to carnivore dinner? Thanks for joining me today. If you're new to carnivore keto, I hope these meal ideas inspire you. Focus on whole, unprocessed animal foods and track macros closely. Let me know what you're eating in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more keto adventures.